Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here today. My name is Ridal Fatih, and I am very excited to present to you my final project for this English class. So, without further ado, let's begin. My dream job. My dream job is IT support server specialist. My dream profession is to become an IT support specialist with advanced skill in server management. This role requires a deep understanding of server operation system, such as Linux, Windows Server, networking protocol, system security, and troubleshooting methodologies. An IT support specialist must also be able to read and interpret the technical documentation, server log, error message, and manuals, all often write in English. Communication with global team and reading vendor updates and online knowledge base is also essential. Their strong English reading skill are crucial to success in the career. Why reading is the most important TOEIC skill for this profession? Reading is the most essential TOEIC skill for this profession because the job involves constant interaction with writing technical content. Example, understanding server documentation, reading system log, and interpreting error codes, following setup and troubleshooting guides, reading support ticket or user report issue, and the last, understanding network diagram, configuration, files, or update notes. Reading is the backbone of technical understanding in the server support. Training project for IT support specialists. For the first week, understanding server terminology. And in this week, learning objective, identify and understanding basic server-related vocabularies, AGP, DNS, HTTP, IP, port, and uptime. Practice material, multiple choice vocabularies quiz, short reading passage from TechTarget. Recommended source, TechTarget glossary, Apache, Nginx, doc. On the second week, reading, configuration files, and error logs. Learning objective, interpret sample configuration files, and identify issue from log entry. Practice material, Apache config or Nginx log analysis. Recommended source, Apache doc, Nginx doc. On the third weeks, we can troubleshooting server documentation. In this week, learning objective, use vendor documentation to solve real-world problem. Practice material, reading Microsoft Learn or Red Hat support document, and recommended source, learn Microsoft.com and access redhat.com. And the last week, reading technical forum and knowledge base article. Learning objective, extract relevant info from forum, thread or help article. Practice material, forum threads, analysis, and answer matching. Recommended source, Stack Overflow, Spiceworks, and SuperUser. And TOEIC simulation question, reading section. Number 1. The server was down for maintenance, but it is now back in process. A. In progress. B. Online. C. Upgrade. And D. Hardware. Correct answer is B. Online. And number 2, IT support ticket. Client reports that the Apache Web server is not loading after the recent configuration update. Please check the error log for entry. A. User. B. Random. C. Diagnostic. D. Outdated. The answer is C. Diagnostic. And now number 3. Read the passage. To restart the Nginx server on Ubuntu, you can use the command sudo systemctl restart Nginx. If an error occurs, console in var log Nginx or error log. Question: where should you look if there's an error? A. System folder. B. Nginx configuration. C. Error log file. And D. Ubuntu panel. The answer is C. Error log file. And number 4. Server update schedule. As Sunday 2 am Windows patch and Monday 1 am Nginx upgrade and Wednesday 3 am hardware maintenance. The question is, when is the Nginx server scheduled for upgrade? A. Sunday. B. Monday. C. Wednesday. And D. Friday. The answer is B. Monday. And the last question is number 5. Technical email. Subject: schedule server downtime. Dear team, please be informed that the database server will be unavailable due to maintenance from 10 p.m. to 3 a.m. The question: why is the server unavailable? A. Hardware failure. B. Backup process. C. Security breach. And D. Schedule maintenance. The answer is D. Schedule maintenance. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention on this my presentation. I hope the information I share was clear and meaningful. Before I close, I would like to mention that the reference I use for this project were taken from several websites, including the following: Microsoft, Access Red Hat, and TOEIC Training Project for IT Support Specialist, Nginx, Apache, TechTarget, and SuperUser. Once again, thank you, and I am happy to answer any question you may have. Thank you very much.